Boni.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very exciting moment. I remember when the Deputy President stepped forward to lead the Hustler Nation. One thing was clear. He told us, and he has continued to repeat, that he wanted to bring the forgotten majority onto the decision-making table. He insisted, and he continues to remind us, that it was never about him, never about positions. Coming short on the heels is the community of Mount Kenya. It is not about positions, but the destiny of our children. So when you come to Kakamega and you find that Senator Malala and myself, somebody wants to use us as pawns so that we waste time fighting each other, that then moves away from the dream of the Deputy President, of us avoiding positions, but pushing the people's agenda. Similarly, it contradicts the voter in the mountain who is saying it is not about position, but about the welfare of the people. I therefore want to confirm that being a student of Michael Kijana Wamalwa, who taught us that when you step backwards one step, it makes it easier for your community to get more. He demonstrated in 2002. I now want to announce to the people of my community that when you are a good player, in fact, if you are a utility player in soccer, you accept the position that the coach deploys you to. Today, I'm pleased to inform the rest of the country that you ain't seen nothing yet. I have not stepped down. In fact, I have stepped up so that I focus more on the common agenda that covers our people and also the rest of the Kenyans. Thank you very much. I'm presenting myself as the candidate in 2022 for the position of the Senator of the county of Kakamega in the Senate of Kenya. Thank you, everyone.